Hi everybody, hope you're okay. Right, so what I'm going to do today is I want to go through with you exactly how I want you to set up the questions in today's lesson. So this is going to link to the first 3 questions that I've set you. So it's describing the array that's given in the picture, okay? So this is exactly how I want you to set it up and what I want you to do with your answer, okay? So you've got the diagram. If you can't print it out, you need to copy it into your book, okay? So to describe this array, we have to state there are something rows of something. Okay, so that's how we would describe an array. So basically what we need to know is we need to know the length or the how would we describe in terms of x and ones the sides of our diagram. Okay, so what I would do here is, and you can do this on MathSpot again like I showed you last time, so I put the video for that as well. But what you would do is you can draw a block like this along the top and along the side, okay? And basically on your diagram, where there are lines, that's where you need to put yours. So there's a line here, there's a line here, and there's a line here, okay? So this is representing one of these, isn't it? So this would be an X, okay? And this would be a 1, a 1, and a 1. Okay, so let's do down this way. So if I draw the lines where they are on this one, okay, and what I've got here is this is an X, and this is a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, most of you were pretty good at this. It was the next part that you didn't do so well, okay? So what I've got is this part here. It doesn't matter which way round you put them. It works the same way, so don't worry about that. So what I've got in this line here is x plus 6 rows of, and what have I got along the top? X plus 3. Okay? So what I want to see so far is that you've drawn these out and you've written this sentence out. Then, this is the same as saying, if we put it into our brackets, 6 plus x lots of 6 plus 3. So it's basically what I've got here, and I'm going to put it into brackets. Okay, the last part is to write the total of what I've got. Okay, so I've got here an x squared. I've got x's here, down here, and we should all know now that these are 1s. Okay, so all together what have I got? Well, I've got an x squared plus, how many x's have I got all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 x's plus, how many 1s have I got there? Well, there are 18. Okay? Right, the last part that I want you to do is, you're going to be told that x equals something. So this is done now. So when x equals, let's do 4, what is the total? Okay. So what I have to do now is I have to replace all my x's with 4, okay? And what I found when I was marking your work from Tuesday's lesson was that you were very good at putting the x's in here and then adding the 1s, but you were forgetting about this one. Now this is just as important because it's got an x in it, okay? So if I do this in a slightly different colour, I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it though. I'll do it in pink, okay? So this would become 4 squared. Okay, because it's x squared, so it's 4 squared. And squared means times by itself. So this is the same as saying 4 times 4, which is our 16. Okay, and then all these x's are 4s here. And then as normal, we've got all our 1s. Okay, so I need to add all of those together. So I've got 16 there, plus 1, 2, so I've got 9, haven't I? Because it's 9 x's. So 9 4s would be 36. Plus our 18 1s. So let's add all those together. So 46, 52, 60, 70. Okay, so this is exactly how I would like you to set up today's work. So this is just for questions 1, 2, and 3. You need to watch the next video for questions 4, 5, and 6.